Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to make this quick, easy, juicy chicken kebab recipe. If you are new here, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss a single recipe from me. All the measurements will be available for you in the description box below. So to start off with, I'm going to be using some chicken breasts, and I've just cleaned my chicken breasts, so I've basically just rinsed them out, and this is what they're looking like. So this is about 500 grams worth of chicken breast, and then I'm going to be cutting mine through the center, just because we don't really want to make kebabs with very thick chicken breast, because we also don't want to cook our meat for too long, because we don't want it to be too tough. So I've just cut it through the center. Next, I'm going to be making cubes or smaller portions of the chicken, just so that they are equal and they are the same. That will also ensure that they have the same cooking time. So I'm just going to chop up all my chicken into the same sized pieces. Okay, so next I'm just going to be adding my chicken into a bowl. So before I begin seasoning my chicken, I'm just going to show you guys a quick hack. Because I'm going to be using some bamboo sticks, I'm going to soak mine in water, and I just wanted to show you two different types that you can get at the store. I personally prefer these ones that have a holder at the back, so you can stack up to that point, but you can also use the normal straight cut ones. Okay, so next we're going to soak that into a little bit of water, just to ensure that when we are cooking it in the oven, it does not burn. So the first ingredient that we're going to be adding to our chicken is some melted butter, and we're going to mix that through. Then I'm going to add some rosemary, and I'm also going to mix that through, just so that I can evenly distribute the rosemary inside the dish. And then last but not least, I'm going to be adding some chicken spice, just so that I can also infuse a little bit of flavor into my chicken. I'm going to mix that up just so that I evenly distribute it. And then last but not least, I'm going to be adding a little bit of sugar. So the sugar is just going to bring a little bit of a sweetness element to my dish. Now I'm going to move over to some sauces for the wet part of this recipe. So first, I've added a little bit of barbecue marinade. Then I've added a little bit of honey and mustard sauce. Then I'm going to add a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. So this is just to give it a nice deepened color. Then I'm going to season it with some salt and pepper. Then we're going to give it a nice quick mix, just to evenly distribute all the sauces that we've added. I'd strongly recommend that you keep this overnight if you can, or for at least 30 minutes before you proceed to grill yours inside your oven, just so that all the flavors can get inside our chicken. So I'm going to be using the skewers, and I'm going to be adding our chicken breasts in. So I'm going to systematically do this and add about 4 to 5 of them, and then I'm going to place these on my oven dish. So 500 grams doesn't make a lot, certainly does make enough for a small family of 4 so that you guys can eat. So I'm just going to be doing this and adding these onto my baking tin. And while I do this, I'm preheating my oven at 180 degrees, so just so that I can fast track the process when I do start preparing it. So this is what my chicken is looking like on the pan. So I'm just going to add it into the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then after 15 to 20 minutes, this is what it's looking like. So I've just mixed up a little bit of the same sauces that we added in our marinade, and I've created a basting sauce, and I'm just going to baste our chicken. Then I'm going to add it back into my oven and grill it, and put it on grill for about 3 minutes, just so that I can change up the color and caramelize it. And this is what it is looking like. It's quick, it's easy, it's simple, and it's nice and juicy. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss a single recipe from me. Comment in the comment section, like this video, try the recipe, let me know how it turned out, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.